In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable automatic call recording on your Samsung device. Automatic call recording can be a useful feature to have, as it allows you to automatically record all incoming and outgoing calls without having to manually start and stop the recording each time. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung phone. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. Once you are on the settings page, you'll see an option called Record Calls. Just tap on it. Now all you have to do next is toggle on this switch next to Auto Record Calls. And now you've successfully enabled automatic call recording on your Samsung phone. You can also tap on it to customize this setting. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.